Hey, if you have ever looked around and thought, I want to start a business that actually makes sense today, not 10 years ago, then listen up, because in the world where automation, speed, and convenience are everything, the automatic car wash business might be exactly what you have been waiting for. Let me tell you why. First of all, it is a business that fits the way people live today. We are in the age of hustle. People are busy. No one has time to wait around 30 minutes to get their car or motorbike washed. Everyone wants fast, clean, and consistent. And that's exactly what an automatic system delivers. This isn't just about washing car or bike. It is about changing the customer experience. It's about taking something that's used to be a core and turning it into something quick, reliable, and satisfying. And for you, as an investor or entrepreneur, this is the game changer. Because thinking about this, most traditional businesses rely heavily on staff, which means you are constantly dealing with recruitment, training, 6-day, motivation, mistake, and the list goes on. But with an automatic car wash, this system does the work. You control the quality, you set the pace, and more importantly, you control your time. You are not just buying a machine, you are buying freedom. The freedom to run the modern, clean, low-maintenance business that can't scale without chaos. And also a remodel if you want to start small and grow steadily. You can open one location, learn the roof, and then replicate your success in other areas. No need for complicated franchise, messy marketing budgets, or ton of staff. And let's not forget, this business fits beautifully into the lifestyle people want today. Take enable, simple, and community focus. People will come back not just for the clean vehicle, but because your service is fast, automatic, and feel premium. That's build loyalty, that's build brand. So if you are sitting there wondering what kind of business is safe, smart, and ready for the future, this might just be your answer. Forget outdated industry. Forget trend that's disappeared in the year. This is real. This is scalable. This is needed. And most importantly, it puts you ahead of the curve, not behind it. Start exploring, see a demo, talk to someone who already is doing this. Because when the right opportunity shows up, the worst risk in not taking it. Go&Go invite you to come directly to the factory to visit and check the machine before ordering. If this video gave you a spark of inspiration or fresh idea for your business journey, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any future content. Got a question or want to connect? Drop a comment below. We reply to everyone. Thank you for watching. See you next time.